Now question number 9 from your worksheet. ABCD is a square of side 2 centimeter. These are the charges placed at the corners. You have to find the net field at O. Whereas value of Q is given and the value of Q is 0.02 microcoulomb. Q is 0.02 microcoulomb. Now you have to find the electric field at point O. A will produce the field, B will produce the field, C will produce the field and D will produce the field. A is negative charge, so field of A will be towards the charge. Field of A will be towards the charge. Field of B will be away from the charge, EB. Field of C will be towards the charge, and field of D positive away from the charge, ED. Negative charge will produce field towards itself. Positive will produce field away. This negative will produce field towards, and D positive will produce field away. Find the value of each field. EA 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QA upon RA square. 9 into 10 to the power 9 QA 2Q, and distance you have to take this one. This is 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter. So AC will be equal to 2 square plus 2 square. That is AC will be 2 root 2. And then AO will be equal to 2 root 2 by 2. That is root 2 centimeter. So RA will be root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square. This will be 9 into 10 to the power root 2 square will cancel this 2. 10 to the power minus 4 goes up, plus 4, 10 to the power 13 Q. Then EB find out. EB, when you will be finding out, R will remain same, but charge is reduced to half. So it will be coming 4.5 into 10 to the power 13 Q. EC again 4.5 into 10 power 13 Q, and ED will be that is due to 2Q 9 into 10 to the power 13 Q. Now you have more than one electric field. This you will take as x-axis. This diagonal you can take as x-axis, and this diagonal you can take as y-axis. So these two are in opposite direction. So sigma EX will be equal to, which one is greater? EA is greater. So EA minus EC. EA minus EC. That is sigma EX will be EA minus EC 4.5 into 10 power 13 Q. Similarly, sigma EY, when you will find these two, that is ED minus EB, and this will also be coming ED minus EB 4.5 into 10 power 13 cube. Now sigma Ex and sigma Ey, two diagonals are perpendicular, so net field which you will be getting, net field at O will be under root sigma Ex square plus sigma Ey square, that is E net, as the both values are equal, sigma Ex and sigma Ey, so it will be 4.5 root 2 into 10 power 13 cube. Now put the value of Q, 4.5 root 2 into 10 power 13, and Q is 0.02 into 10 power minus 6, and you will get the final answer for the magnitude. You will solve it, you will get the final answer for net electric field. And for direction, tan alpha is equal to sigma Ey upon sigma Ex, and both values are equal, so it will be coming 1, so alpha is 45 degree. So at an angle 45 degree with x-axis, as I have told you earlier, this we have considered x-axis, so net field will be in this direction. This is the direction of net field. Net field, this is 45 degree. That means this will be parallel to CB. What you can write? Parallel to CB or DA. Parallel to CB or DA. You cannot write parallel to BC because it is in upward direction. So CB or DA. In this way you will be solving the problems.